Hello everyone, Redmi Note 7 Pro is now available in Nepal after its successful launch in January 2019. Let's see its specification, price and details. This phone lets you experience the next level of performance and control with a 16cm that is 6.3-inch screen with dot notch display powered by a 2.0 GHz Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 processor. It has 4GB RAM and 64GB ROM and lets you expand it up to 256GB. It also comes with 64GB of storage capacity, so we can store all our data with each. It has 48 megapixel plus 5 megapixel dual rear camera and 13 megapixel front camera setup. Its 48 megapixel Sony IMX586 feature lets you shoot steady and sexy videos. You can now record your video in amazing 4K clarity. There is no need to worry about charging the phone frequently as it has 4000 mAh high capacity battery. It supports Type-C and helps in charging the phone with a lightning fast speed. It also have Gorilla Glass 5 on both the front and the back side, so it protects your phone, giving you high durability. Plus, it supports face unlock feature as in previous series of Xiaomi. This phone can also be used as a remote controllers for TV, set-top boxes, ACs and more, as it has IR remote control feature. Redmi Note 7 Pro price in Nepal has been set at 23,999 for the 4GB 64GB storage variant, while its 6GB RAM 64GB ROM storage model is priced at Rs 28,990. In the box, you will be getting handset, SIM ejector tool, soft case, manual, adapter and the cable. It also gives you stunning night photography, and it has AI light drills and AI studio lighting. Plus, it supports splash-proof technology. We have discussed its features, specification, and you can now compare it with other brands' phone. Let me know your personal review regarding this Redmi product in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be back soon with a new video. Stay tuned. Take care. Bye bye.